EKDB10 IP65 plastic waterproof distribution box provides reliable protection for electrical installations. The transparent cover allows clear visibility of the internal status without opening. Press-to-open design makes operation easy and maintenance efficient. The wide opening angle design makes daily operation easier and more convenient. The built-in lock hole allows padlock installation for enhanced electrical safety. Made of V0 flame-retardant PC material with high strength and weather resistance. Pre-installed removable side plates allow flexible configuration when needed. Inner and outer double sealing rings ensure reliable IP65 protection. Customized knockout holes are available, with positions and sizes designed to project requirements. Built-in 35mm DIN rail fits modular electrical components. Optional neutral or ground terminal bars meet different wiring needs. Rear mounting clips are available for 9 to 39 way models. Multiple sizes are available to meet different installation needs. Suitable for residential distribution, PV combiner systems, and EV charging solutions. E-Tech, always for your safety.